Good morning everyone. I welcome you all in today's grammar class, module 1 of pronouns. And in today's class, we will learn about pronouns and its first kind, that is personal pronouns. What is a pronoun? What is a pronoun? Let's know about that. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. See the example. Betty plays guitar. Now let's change the sentence so it includes a pronoun. In place of Betty, we can say she plays guitar. She. In place of Betty, I used she pronoun. Henry went fishing. He went fishing. So the noun is replaced by the word pronoun he. See some more examples. Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. Mr. Mohanlal drives children to school every day. Mr. Mohanlal is of jovial nature. So repetition of the noun make the sentence absurd. In place of doing the repetition, we can say Mr. Mohanlal is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. He is a jovial man. Now see, I, it, you, they, we, she, he takes the place of a noun. See the example. He, she and we are used for people. For example, he is my father. Now let's talk about pronoun we and it. It is used for one animal or thing. We is used for more than one person. Pronouns I, you, he, she are used for one person. It is used for animals and things. For example, it is my pet. For a person, we say she is my mother. Now, let's know about pronoun they. They is used for more than one person, animal or thing. So students, what did you understand? We learned that a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. See some more examples. The village is far away. Now, rather than repeating the one noun, village, I have used here it. It has many rivers. They are clean. Did you get it? Now, let's know about the first kind, that is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns denote the person who is speaking or is spoken to or is spoken about. Subject pronouns are I, you, she, it, we, and object pronouns are me, you, him. And let's know the personal pronouns in three categories. It can be divided into three basic ways. First, know about the persons. First person, second person, third person. As you can see in the picture, first person who speaks, second person who is spoken to, and third person who is spoken about. And second is two forms. Personal pronouns can be divided into two forms, singular and plural. Then third is based on types. Subjective case. In this we will discuss subjective case, possessive case and objective case. Personal pronouns can be divided into three basic ways. Point of view, I told you about first, second, third person. And then second, two types of forms, singular and plural form. Third type is subjective, possessive and objective case. Now, let's come to know about all these through the tables. See. First person, singular, I, and plural, we. Possessive case, singular, my, mine, and the plural would be our, ours. Objective, singular, me, and objective, mine. Now see the example, singular, I am a good swimmer. Plural, we are a team of swimmer. Now let's know about second person, singular, plural, subjective, you, possessive, your, yours, objective, you. Hope you would have understood that you can be used in both the way singular and plural. See the examples. Singular, you like cooking. Here you is used for one person and plural form, you are all great cook. You is used for many. Now let's know about third person singular and plural. Third person singular subjective case would be he, she, it. Possessive they. Singular possessive. Now see some examples. Singular form, he reads newspaper daily. Plural, they read newspaper daily. So he is used for one person singular form and plural they for many. Let's review the chart which we covered. Personal pronouns. First person singular, I, me, my, mine. Plural, we, us, our, ours. Second person singular, you, your, yours. And plural, you, your, yours. Third person singular, he, she, it, him, her, hers, its. And third person plural, they, them, their, theirs. I hope you would have enjoyed watching it. Thank you everyone. In today's video we have covered pronouns and personal pronouns, and in next video we would be discussing other types of pronouns. Thank you.